Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here and show you what's in my emergency kit. I live right outside of Los Angeles, and as you all know, we just went through a very traumatizing and stressful 2-3 week long natural disaster. So I wanted to take some time just to show you what's in my emergency kit. Since dealing with that, I have added to my kit, so I just want to share that with you real quick. So the first thing I added was this. It's a power station. I didn't want to go with a full-on generator just yet. I probably will be upgrading to that eventually, but I just went ahead and got this. It's only 300 watts, but that's enough to power, phones, laptops, things like that. I don't think it's going to be able to power my refrigerator, for a whole day or anything like that, but it's something. During the fires, a lot of people were without power for multiple days. So this is something that I added. Our electric company, SCE, Southern California Edison, actually is giving a rebate for these. I think it's like $150 rebate towards a power station, or you can get a bigger rebate towards a generator. With the rebate, I think it was $200-300, but I found this one for a little bit cheaper. And again, I submitted my $150 rebate. I haven't gotten the money back yet. You know how those processes work, but again, just something to have. So this is my newest edition. You see, I haven't even opened it yet, but from what I read, you just open it up, you charge it. Highly recommend looking into, like I said, one of these. Even if you don't get something like this, at least have some type of backup batteries, portable chargers, something, guys. So that's the newest edition. But here's my emergency kit. I've had this for a while now. I've been in Los Angeles over 20 years. So between the earthquakes and the fires, I knew I needed to get something a long time ago. So what I like about this is by Ready America. And I think I got this at either Walmart or Amazon. So I know we can't really shop at Walmart right now. So maybe try Amazon. I don't know if we can shop there either, but anyway, what I love about this company is that it comes already packed with a lot of the things that you need. Now, I have added a lot of stuff to it as well, but some of the things that is in here is a water bottle. And just so you know, I went through, just because I'm a little OCD, and I actually ran the numbers to see if it would be cheaper for me to buy all of these items individually and put the kit together myself versus just getting the kit. And what I found out is it's way cheaper just buying this book bag, guys. And then you just add to it any additional items you want. So this was part of the kit, the water bottle. I added recently some maps. You can actually go online, just Google your state, and you should be able to get access to free maps. So again, we don't know what's going to happen if you'll have service. So a good old trusty map is still very useful. And then I'll just show you this really quick. It's a 2-person kit. And you see everything it comes with right here. Again, I'm going to pull it out and show you guys, but again, it's so much easier just to buy one of these. So didn't know this was a thing, but hey, so your toiletries here. And again, it's a 2-person, so you have 2 bags. You have your N95 mask, some gloves. I'm going to add to this. This was something that I wanted that I didn't have. So this is why I bought this particular kit. So it has this emergency power station. You crank it for power, no batteries needed. Yeah, flashlight, radio, siren, and a cell phone USB connector. So this alone to me was worth the kit. I have another kit, but I didn't have this in my kit, so I upgraded and got another kit. And then this box down here is just your food, because again it comes with you can see it here, it comes with emergency drinking water, and then the emergency food, which is just that nasty dry bar. You never know what you'll need. So I will put a link to this and how much it was in the description below. Here's some more things. It has a 5-in-1 survival whistle. I added this, some matches. Definitely a good thing to have. This is a survival blanket. Here's another one. First aid kit. And some ponchos. So that is what it came with. I also added, this is just a bag of clothes I threw in here. I put some socks in there, some sweatpants, an extra pair of, underwear, any undergarments you need, t-shirt, a hoodie, just something like that you want to have ready and in the bag. So I just wanted to share. I will also share with you my other kit, but guys, it's worth it. The 2-person, I think it might have been $70. Again, I will put the price and the link down in the description below, but highly worth it, guys. You just never know what's going to happen. And again, you just buy this already ready to go, and then you can add any additional things that you may need. So just wanted to share that. We are in some interesting times, and I think we all need to be prepared. So we'll talk soon. Oh, I forgot to show you, this card comes in here. This is expiration reminder. So you have to replace it, I think, every 5 years, which is why I just recently bought this one. So don't forget to replace the stuff every few years. But look, it comes with a medical card. Very helpful. So I'm going to fill this out. Emergency plan and contacts. Definitely need to fill this out. Something also very handy and very necessary. Okay, this is my 1-person emergency kit, again by Ready America. So this is the 1-person. This is the 2-person. This one runs about $67. I just looked it up on Amazon. And then the 2-person is $77. So a $10 difference for double the supplies. So again, just some suggestions. You want to have clothes, socks. Some of this stuff I threw in here myself. Hand warmers. Poncho came with it. Another random one I threw in here. More hand warmers. Emergency blanket. This is the drinking water that comes in these. These do expire, but I mean, hell, it's water. There's a glow stick, safety, a notebook with pen and paper, right? It's very important. So, and if I were you, I would write down emergency contacts, everything you can think of that you might need. There's also a flashlight in here. Some first aid stuff, alcohol wipes, gloves. Again, any prescriptions. My girlfriend has her inhaler in here. Anything that you would need as far as medication, all that stuff, you got to get it in here. So that is the difference between the 1 person and the 2 person. And because I'm a pack rat, I made another bag because there was a lot of items that were still missing for me. So again, printed off some maps. Go on Google Maps, or you can Google and get free maps for your state. This is an old emergency kit from Walgreens I threw in here. Another one. I think this was the first kit I ever made before I bought the professional one. So some candles. I have a fleece blanket in here. Don't mind, this stuff is dirty, guys. It's been in here for a while. But yeah, I bought this specifically for this kit. Pair of scissors. A can opener, guys. Now, what you don't see in here is my canned food because I need to update that. But what good is it to have canned food if you don't have a can opener? So, very critical. I also have a weather tarp in here. Trash bags in here. Some glasses. My background is construction and engineering, so I have lots of these. Flashlight. More gloves. Another emergency blanket, some gloves, batteries, which I'm pretty sure I'm probably going to need to replace these. Again, guys, these kits are only good for so many years, so every few years you have to go through and update some of the items in here. Here's just a peek into one of the kits I have. I added to it chapstick, y'all. All the stuff you know you need, put it in here. So I gotta have my chapstick. I have lighters. Again, you also want to have matches, some soap. Women, make sure you have all of the feminine hygiene products that you need. Men, have all the stuff that you need in here. Just some more ideas of what to put in your kit. This is, it's old school. Don't talk about me, but it's a charger. So again, you want some type of charging station, some type of portable charger. And in here I have a jump drive with all my important information. I cannot emphasize the importance of this. You want to make copies of IDs, your passport, debit cards, credit cards. You want the account numbers either written down or an electronic copy. And here I have my home insurance in here. So I have paper copies that I made. I copied again all my cards in my wallet. I scanned it right on my computer, printed it out, put it in here, but I also put it on a jump drive. So this is so important. And again, you have to update this stuff as your license change, your passports, your cards. You know, you get new cards in the mail. Just make sure you keep all that stuff updated. So yeah, I just wanted to go through with you guys. Hopefully we never need any of this stuff, but the way times are going right now, we are better off being prepared than not. If you have any questions, put a comment and I will get back to you. I will also put some links so you guys can find this stuff. So again, we hope we never need any of this stuff, but it's better to be prepared than to be sorry. All right, guys. Till next time.